Let A and B be two even such that P of A equal to 0.25 and P of B equal to 0.50 and P of A intersection B, that means A and B both will happen, that is going to be 0.14. And find the probability that neither A nor B occurs. So A should not, B should not, both should not be happening, neither A nor B, that's it. So first we'll try to find out P of A or B, either A will happen or B will happen. We'll check this. This is simple. This is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A is going to be 0.25 plus this is 0.50 minus this is 0.14. So this is basically 0.25 minus 0.14 is 0.11. That means we'll have 0.11 plus 0.50, 0.61. So either A or B will happen as 0.61. Neither A nor B will happen as exactly the complement of this. So 1 minus 0.61, that's going to be 0.39. So 0.39 should be the right answer. Option C, our answer is available. So that should be the answer. We'll have a check. Yeah, 0.39, option C is the right answer.